Electrical Measurement and Control Lab for Diploma Electrical Second Year Student. Today we discuss to plot frequency response of active filter, NE2, low pass filter, high pass filter. Okay. So first, what is filter? Filter is a electrical circuit. The reactance of inductor and capacitor depends on the frequency of the AC signal applied to them. By using various combination of resistor, inductor, capacitor, we can make circuit that have the property of passing or rejecting either low or high frequency or bands of frequency. This frequency selective network, which alter the amplitude and phase characteristics of the input AC signal, are called the filter. Now, the application of the filter. Filter circuits are used to eliminate background noise. They are used in radio tune to a specific frequency, used in preamplification, equalization, tone control in audio system. They are also used in signal processing circuit and data conversion. Filter circuit are used in medical electronic system. That means filter circuit is allowed to a certain range of frequency or stop a certain frequency or sorry certain range of frequency. Okay, now the classification of filter is mainly classified in two categories, that is active filter and passive filter. Active filter consists of transistor and operational amplifier in addition to resistor and capacitor, and passive filter is a combination of resistor, capacitor, inductor. And these two type of filter is further categorized in four type: low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, band stop filter. Now we discuss about low pass filter. Low pass filter is a filter which attenuates all the frequency above the cutoff frequency. It provides a constant output from 0 to cutoff frequency. Here the output graph of low pass filter circuit. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-axis refers frequency and y-axis the voltage gain. Voltage gain means V0 by Vi, and this is the output graph. This section is called the cutoff frequency. This section is pass band, that low pass filter allow this frequency, this range to this frequency, and stop this range to this frequency. Here the frequency increasing, and this this section is called pass band frequency, and low pass filter allow only this section. Now we discuss the high pass filter. It is a type of a filter which attenuates all the frequency below the cutoff frequency. It provides a constant output above the cutoff frequency. Now the output graph of high pass filter. This is voltage gain and this is frequency. This section is called the cutoff frequency, and high pass filter stop this section and passes the this section. Each section is called the range called high pass filter. This is the high pass filter output graph. Now now we draw low pass filter and high pass filter and check the output of low pass filter and high pass filter via multi sim. So first we draw a circuit of low pass filter, and this is multi sim software. This is working page. This is component bar. This is measuring instrument bar. Okay. So first we select a voltage source, AC voltage source. Then we select a register, that is Virtual register. Virtual register means we can change its range or value, and next we select a virtual capacitor. So first we draw low pass filter circuit. First we connect voltage source to resistance and resistance to capacitor and capacitor back to voltage source. Now we change the voltage source rating. Voltage RMS 230. Now we change the resistance value is 100 ohm and capacitor value is 10 microfarad. Okay. Now we place junction to junction here and connect the junction to the circuit. And most important thing, a ground is connect to the circuit. If we do not connect the ground, the circuit will not run. Now we select a Bode plot by which we can see the frequency response. Here the 4 terminal, 2 is input terminal and another 2 is output terminal. The first we connect the input terminal, the circuit. After that we connect the output terminal to the circuit. Okay. Now the circuit is complete and it is a low pass filter circuit. Now we run the circuit and see the output. Okay, now this is the output of a low pass filter. This section is called the cutoff frequency. The output filter passes this section and this section the output filter block. Okay, this is Bode plotter and the output frequency of a low pass filter. Now we draw the high pass filter. Now we draw the high pass filter. Again, we select a voltage source, a resistor, virtual resistor obviously, and a capacitor and virtual capacitor. Okay. Now we select the circuit. Sorry, connect the circuit. Change the voltage range to 30 volt RMS value, and the resistance value change 1 kilo ohm to 100 ohm. And now place the junction here for output measurement. Connect the junction to the circuit. Okay. Now we select a Bode plotter. Here the output terminal connect and the input terminal is connect here, and we select a ground system and connect with the circuit. Now we run the circuit, see the output. Okay, this is the high frequency filter output circuit. This section is called the cutoff frequency. Okay, this section is stop band frequency, and this is high pass, and this section also passes by the high pass filter. Okay, this is a simulation diagram of low pass filter and high pass filter circuit.